Morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Tuesday, December 16, 2025, 9:24 a.m. Mountain Time. Market is down across the board. Nasdaq down 0.3, Dow is down 0.34, S&P is down 0.3. Volume is lower today. Let's go to the index here. QQQ ETF here. So we are sliding below the red line, which is the 50-day. So that is not a good sign for the general market, at least on the Nasdaq. So there's no support coming in this morning, and let's look at the intraday chart here. Yeah, so we dropped below it. It's not a big drop yet, but it's just the fact that there's no bounce, a strong bounce here indicate that we most likely will be heading lower unless we get some sort of bounce by the end of day. Otherwise, it doesn't look as good for sure. So the last QQQ. SPY here, we're still above the 50 days, so that this one might also be very interesting to watch. We are again not bouncing, we continue to get hit. Um, so that's a bigger problem right now. The pond, there's less and less fish in the pond to catch. So if you're trying to fight this market trend, you're probably gonna be at um, a probability of, like, most likely losing more than winning. Again, we're not seeing the bounce this morning. It looks like it comes down very easily now, so that's another problem. Let's go to Dow for a second here. Sorry, my machine is a little bit slow today. Here's the Dow. We come back to the 10-day. This found support last time here, so we're hoping to find support soon again. We're down 3 days now, so if we can find support here, that'll be great. Again, so far this morning, everything just looked kind of bleak because they just fall back very easily, and you can see here, it just couldn't climb back above yesterday's low. So that's another indication of weakness. Here's Russell. Russell continued to hit newer low. You can see it's making new lows as of this moment. Again, showing lots of weak sign. Looks like the market is, I don't want to say give up, but it's definitely going down much easier. So the buyers are not showing up, but the sellers are, and so there's not much buying at this moment. That's the biggest problem. So looking at stocks on the move here, uh, it has now gone down below 20 stocks here. Let me just refresh just to make sure. I didn't see any sector showing strength today. They're all pretty much red across the board. Um, so I think commodities, energies might have sold off a little bit harder, and then health also sold off a little bit harder. The rest are, just kind of more equal. The other sectors. Merm here, bouncing. UBS strong. All the money center group is doing really well. This one making another new high this morning. So the bigger banks seems to be where the money is flowing into. Again, my stock chart is just really slow this morning. I think I had to restart everything. But anyhow, here we go. So we're making a new high this morning. Um, you know, yeah, feel free to check out other ones like Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan and so forth. Trilio making a move today, so that is a good one to watch. Um, let's see here. Here we go. It's coming out of this base here, so I like the base setup. I like the breakout. So volume is higher. So yeah, everything looks good on this one. We have Gildan, NSSC, NWA continue to show strength. This is a consumer loan stock. We go look at this bounce this morning. I like that bounce. It's again, the market is red and this is actually green right now. So anything that are doing well in this market is a good showing a lot of relative strength. AER, Seiko, Kawana continue to do well. It's just day after day, just keep showing that it can make new highs. So that's something to continue to watch there. Again, sorry for the slowness of my chart here. So this one's bouncing today. So it found support again on a day that's red. Anything that turns green, especially leading stocks, are something to really pay attention to. Let me see what else there is here. Um, we have JCI, Hood, OR, Palantir, SMTR, HSI. Again, I didn't have a chance to go through all the stocks in the move this morning. We have Kill here. Oh yeah, Restoration Hardware also making a nice move today. MDB bouncing, Shopify, Twilio. Yeah. So yeah, feel free to check out other stocks here on this list. I haven't got a chance to go through all of them, but just the market is mostly red and near the lows of the day. We really need to see a bounce. So before we make some moves here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.